According to the Executive Order 13112, which established the National Invasive Species Council in 1999, invasive species are defined as species that are non-native to the ecosystem under consideration and whose introduction causes or is likely to cause economic or environmental harm or harm to human health. There are multiple terms that are related to or interchangeable with the term invasive. For example, exotic or alien species are defined as any species, including its seeds, eggs, spores, or other biological material capable of propagating that species that is not native to that habitat. These species can be introduced intentionally or accidentally and through natural or human introduction. Not all exotic species have a negative impact on the native ecosystem. Introduced species are defined as any species that are transported to a foreign ecosystem through human means. For the remainder of this video, we are going to focus on one species in particular, the zebra mussel. Zebra mussels were unintentionally introduced to North America through the ballast water of a commercial vessel that was traveling from Europe in the mid-1980s. Zebra mussels were first detected in the Great Lakes region in 1988 in Lake St. Clair. Zebra mussels began to spread beyond New York State in the early 1990s when they reached the major river systems of New York. They spread through the Erie Canal to the Mohawk River, which transported them downstream to the Hudson River. The species abundance in the Hudson River system has allowed them to become widely distributed throughout much of the northeastern United States. Zebra mussels are currently established in all of the Great Lakes, many small water bodies in the Great Lakes region, and all of the large river systems in the eastern United States. Zebra mussel populations have even spread west of the Mississippi River in recent years. When environmental conditions are favorable, zebra mussel reproduction goes unchecked because they do not have any natural predators in North America. Zebra mussels are a nuisance species because they alter the ecosystem they invade and damage man-made structures. Zebra mussels profoundly alter the ecosystem by decimating the phytoplankton community through their ability to filter feed. This increases water clarity, allowing the sunlight to penetrate further down into the water column, which has the potential to promote the growth of aquatic plants. The decrease in phytoplankton also has a negative effect up the food chain by decreasing the zooplankton community and, as a result, the planktivorous fish community. Zebra mussels also have a direct negative effect on native mussels by forming dense colonies on the mussels and smothering them. Zebra mussels can cause serious economic and structural damage because of their ability to form colonies on man-made structures. They form colonies on boat motors and hulls, which can hinder performance and require routine maintenance. They can form colonies on ladders and rocks in shallow water, where swimmers can cut their feet. They affect cities and municipalities by clogging water intake pipes, greatly reducing the diameter of the pipes and their ability to effectively transport water. To detect the presence of adult zebra mussels, you can simply look in the common areas of settlement, such as ropes, buoys, docks, boat motors, or any other hard substrate. Sampling for microscopic larvae, known as veligers, is more difficult, but can be done with a plankton net and microscope. Because of the zebra mussel's incredible ability to take over an ecosystem, prevention is the best method of control. It is important to clean your boat thoroughly before using it in another body of water. The recommended method for washing your boat is with a pressure washer at a temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Any water left inside of a watercraft, including in a bilge pump or live well, has the ability to contain the microscopic veligers, so it's especially important to remove the plug and flush the inside of the boat before washing it. It is important to do a full check for zebra mussels around the entire boat, even after cleaning it. Early detection and rapid response is extremely important with zebra mussels, so it is crucial to notify your lake organization or a state agency immediately if you identify zebra mussels in a body of water where they have never been detected before.